Dear student, we shall learn the division of decimal numbers. Hitherto you have learnt the division of decimal numbers. In addition to what you have learnt in the previous classes, we shall continue to learn the division of decimal numbers. Now we are dividing the decimal numbers by a whole number. Now as usual you divide 8 by 2 to 4 times 8. So 8 minus 8 0. So answer is 4. But in the dividend you have one place to the right of decimal point. One place. So in the answer we have to move one place to the left and put decimal point, then put 0. So answer is 0.4. Here also you do usual division. 248 divided by 4. 4 6 times 24. So if you subtract you will get 0 0 8 here. So 4 2 times 8. 8 minus 8 0. So 62 are getting. So in the dividend, after decimal point, there are two places to the right. So here you have to move two places from right to left. One to put decimal point 0.62. 0.62 is the answer. Here also divide 80 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 8 minus 5 3. 5 6 are 30. 30 minus 30 is 0 0. So 16. So in the dividend after decimal point there are two places to the right. So in the number 16 count two places from right to left. One to put decimal point and put 0. 0.16 is the answer. So in this number 14.49 you write number as it is. 1449 divided by 7. 7 2 times 14. Subtract 0 0. Bring down 4. So 7 zeros are 0. 4 minus 0 is 4. Bring down 9. So 7 sevens are 49. So subtract 0 0. 207. Now in the dividend after decimal point to the right two places are there. Here from right to left count two places and put point. Answer is 2.07. Now I have learned how to divide a decimal number by whole number. Now we are learning how to divide decimal numbers by 10. It is very easy. You write 2.8 divided by 10. Now after 1 there is 1 0. So you have to move one place from right to left. Here decimal is there. You move this to the one place to the left. So you'll get 0.28. So division means the number value goes on decreasing. Here also 3.97 divided by 10. So in the denominator after 1 we have 1 0. That means you have to move the decimal point to the left by one place. So you'll get answer 0.397. So in this number, right, 273.15 divided by 10. In the denominator, so to the right of 1 you have 1 0. That means only one place you have to move. That means decimal point should be moved one place to the left. So you'll get 27.315. In this problem, 42.1 divided by 10. So after 1 there is 1 0 to the right. Therefore we have to move decimal point to the left by one place at 44.21. This is the answer. Now you know how to divide the decimal numbers by 10. Now let us learn The same way, how to divide the decimal numbers by 100? Right, 527.1 divided by 100. In the denominator, after 1 there are 2 zeros. So in the numerator you have to 527.1. So you have to shift a decimal point to the left by 2 places, because after 1 there are 2 zeros. So answer is 5.271. The second problem, 52.62 divided by 100. So in the denominator, after 1 there are 2 zeros. So in the 52.62 you have to shift decimal point to the left by 2 places. So you'll get answer 0.5262. This is the answer. Now in this problem, third problem, 427.623 divided by 100. So after 1 there are 2 zeros. So in the numerator you have to move decimal point to the left by 2 places. You will get 4.27623. Fourth problem, 623.561. So divided by 100. So divide by 100. So as you have done third problem, you have to shift decimal point to the left by 2 places, because after 1 there are 2 zeros. They get the answer 6.23561. So you have learnt how to divide the decimal numbers by 100. So let us move to the next type of division, where you are going to divide the decimal number by 1000. In the first problem you write 5.9 divided by 1000. So in the denominator you have 3 places or 3 zeros. So you write 59. So already decimal was there. We have to move 3 places from right to left. 1, 2, 3. So 1 we have moved, 2, 3, put decimal point, then 0, 0.0059. So I have moved decimal point from right to left by 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Put point and 0, because after 1 there are 3 zeros. Here 56.78 divided by 1000. You write 5678. So I want to move decimal point to the left by 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Put point, then 0. So answer is 0.05678. The third problem, 42.67 divided by 1000. Write this number 4267 without point, because we have to shift the decimal point. So after 1 there are 3 zeros. You have to move 3 places. 1, 2, 3, then put 1 0 here. 0.04267. The fourth one, 45.678 divided by 1000. So write 45678. So after 1 to the right there are 3 zeros. So you have to move decimal point from right to left by 3 places. 1, 2, 3. Put decimal point, then 0. Answer is 0.045678. Now here let us divide the decimals by decimals. We can write this 5 as 5.0, 2.5 as 2.5. So that is equal to 5 divided by 2.5. Now I want to move decimal point to the right by 1 place. So that means I have to multiply 5 by 10. So multiply 5 by 10, this also by 10, because I want to move the decimal point to the right. So you'll get 50 by, so 25. If I divide 50 by 25, 25 2s are 50, 0, 0. So answer is 2. The second problem. 7 I will write it as 7.0 divided by 3.5. So I want to remove decimal points in the denominator. So I have to multiply this by 10. This also I have to multiply by 10 because there should be a balance. 10, 10. 7 point into 10 is equal to 7. 70, sorry, 7.0 is equal to 10 is equal to 70. 3.5 into 10 is equal to 35. Divide 70 by 35. 35 2s are 70. 0. Subtracting, you will get 0. So answer is 2. Here 3.25. So divided by 0.5, I can put 1 0. Any number of 0 because I want to see equal decimal places. So I shift decimals to the right by 2 places. Here also I move by decimal point to the right by 2 places. This becomes 325. Here it becomes 50. Now divide 325 by 50. 56 is 300. So 25 is less than 50. So I have to go for decimal division. Put decimal point here. When you put decimal point at each stage, you can write 1 0 here. 250. So 55 is 250. We subtract 0, 0, 0. So answer is 6.5. Here 76.5 divided by 0.15. So after decimal to the right, here 2 place, here 1 place, I can make 2 place by putting 1 0. So that is equal to 7650 divided by 15. Now you can divide 7650 by 15. 15 5 is 75. So 6 minus 5 1. Yes, 7 0 5. 15 1 is 15. So 0. Again bring down 0. 15 zeros are 0. So answer is 510. The fifth problem. 2.73 divided by 1.3. So you can put 1 0 here. Now I can shift a decimal point to the right by 2 place, here also by 2 place by multiplying this numerator by 100, denominator by 100. So I'll get 273 by 130. Now let us divide 273 by 130. 130. 13 2s are 26. So 130 into 2, 260. So 3. 7 minus 6, 1. So 13 is less than 130. So you have to go for decimal division. Put decimal point. Then 1 0. So 131 is 130. So 0 minus 0, 3 minus 3, 0, 1 minus 1, 0. So answer is 2.1. The last problem, 0.5 divided by 0.25. So here after decimal to the right, there are 2 places. Here 1 place I can make 2 places putting 0. So I multiply numerator and denominator by 100 because after decimal there are 2 places. So 100. Here also 100 is equal to 50 by 25. So divide 50 by 25. 25 2s are 50. So answer is equal to 2. So dear children, hitherto you have learnt various types of division in related to decimal numbers and whole numbers. I think you have understood this.